Welcome to Lesson 2. Here we will learn the new concept called friends. We use this concept of friends when we do not have enough beads to follow the rules of simple. Friends are people who help you when you need it, right? These numbers work in a similar way. Your hand has 5 fingers, correct? There are combinations of 1, 2, 3, and 4 that always equal 5. We're going to call this relationship friends. So let's start with 1 and ask ourselves a question. What plus 1 equals 5? The answer is what? You're right, 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Both ways equal 5. They're friends. They're always going to be related. What about 2? 2's friend is 3. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2. 2 and 3 are always going to add up to 5. So that's what we are going to remember when we discuss our friends. 1 and 4, 2 and 3. 4 and 1, 3 and 2. Now, in order to help us remember these combinations and to move the beads the right way, we memorize formulas. So first, let's discuss plus 5 friends. This means when a problem requires you to add a number and you don't have enough beads for simple, you need to say your formula for that number. So let's say you need to add plus 3 and don't have beads. You use the formula you've memorized for adding 3 to your abacus. Here are the formulas. Memorize them and say them out loud as they flash on the screen. If you practice them, it will become very easy. Let's get started. Plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4 down together at the same time. Plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. We always say the formula the same way. Friends work together to change the value of your problem. Repetition's important. Practice them over and over. Just rewind. Plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4 down together at the same time. Plus 2 equals plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Let's work some sample problems on our abacus. First, we'll work on 1 plus 4. For 1 plus 4, we're going to say plus 1, thumb up. Now, do we have enough beads to do plus 4? No, we have 3 beads. Therefore, we need to use our friends formula. The formula for plus 4 friends is plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time, pushing the 5 bead down and the 1 bead. We are adding 5, subtracting 1, which means we added 4. Now, let's try 2 plus 3. Plus 2, thumb up, plus 3. Can we do simple? No, we only have 2 beads, so therefore we have to go to friends. What's our formula for plus 3 friends? It's plus 3 equals plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. We are adding the 5 bead, subtracting the 2 lower beads, which means we've added 3. Okay, let's work some more on our abacus. First, we'll try 2 plus 4. So, we start off with plus 2, thumb up. We can't add 4 because we don't have enough beads. We cannot do simple. So, we're immediately going to go to our friends formula for plus 4, which is plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Our answer? 6. Okay, clear. Let's try another one. plus 3 plus 4. So we've got plus 3, thumb up. Now, do we have enough beads to add 4? No. So we have to go to friends. And our friends formula for plus 4, once again, is plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Our answer is 7. Let's try 3 plus 3. Ready? Plus 3, thumb up. Do we have enough beads to do simple? No. So we have to go to plus 3 friends. Plus 3 friends formula is plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. Our answer's 6. Let's try 4 plus 2. Plus 4, thumb up. Now, do we have enough beads to do 2? No, we don't. So we have to go to our friends formula for plus 2, which is plus 5 minus 3 down together at the same time. Our answer, 6. All right, now let's go ahead and try 4 plus 1. Ready? Plus 4, thumb up. Now, do we have one bead to move for simple? No, so we have to go to friends. And our friends formula for plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4 down together at the same time. What is our answer? 5. Okay, let's work on some longer equations. More numbers in it. Okay, our first one, 2 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. Okay, plus 2, thumb up, plus 4. Can we do simple? No, we don't have enough beads, so we use our friends formula. Plus 4 equals plus 5 minus 1 down together at the same time. Minus 1, finger down, plus 3, thumb up. Answer? 8. Clear. Next question, 8 minus 6 plus 2 plus 1. Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Minus 6, push apart at the same time. Plus 2, thumb up. Plus 1, we don't have the beads, so we have to move to friends. And plus 1 equals plus 5 minus 4 down together at the same time. Answer, 5. Clear. Next question, 8 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2. Plus 8, pull together at the same time. Minus 5, finger up. Plus 3, do we have enough beads for simple? No, so we must use friends. And our formula for plus 3 friends is plus 5 minus 2 down together at the same time. Plus 2, thumb up, and our answer is 8. Congratulations, you've just learned plus 5 friends. Pause the DVD and use some practice materials.